side room. Very interesting. Different pictures, but very much like how later churches will use archways. Different pictures, cross symbols. Even though this is before that time or around that time. Not a cross symbol, but the color is blue, very common color. Very interesting symbols, some cross-like. The designs you see in later churches. Different designs in the mosaics, even over there. There's the black and white. You'll see some down in Side, Pamphylia. Many of the rooms are very similar to the terrace houses in Ephesus. You have the similar paintings on the walls, square frames, kind of marking different things.